Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find video tutorials in VN. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of the screen and press on the middle option there. And here you will be able to find video tutorials about the application. If you want to have or you want to find more video tutorials in the same place, you can just look in the top of the right corner and press either one of the social medias there, which can be Instagram, X and YouTube. I will press on YouTube for example, and here you will find the VN video editor channel, and you will be able to find here videos with tutorials how to use it exactly. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.